I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone and tap Notifications to begin customizing your notification center. Scroll to see each app listed with its current notification permissions and style. Tap an app to change its alert type, sounds, badges, and notification grouping options. Choose between lock screen, notification center, and banners to control where alerts appear. Enable or disable allow notifications to remove that app from the notification center entirely. Use Deliver quietly to send notifications directly to the notification center without banners. Turn on Scheduled Summary to bundle non-urgent alerts into the notification center on a schedule. Tap Scheduled Summary and select Apps plus delivery times for group notifications during your chosen hours. Set notification grouping to automatic or by app to control how alerts stack in the center. For urgent alerts, enable time-sensitive notifications so they bypass summaries and appear immediately. Use focus modes to silence notifications and keep only allowed apps in the notification center. Edit focus allowed apps to refine what appears. Swipe right on the home screen or lock screen and tap Edit to add or remove Today View widgets. Tap the plus icon to add widgets that display useful info directly above your notification center. Rearrange widgets by dragging the three-line handles to prioritize content you need most. Remove an app from Notification Center by turning off its lock screen and Notification Center permissions in Settings. Adjust banner style and show previews to reduce interruptions while keeping important alerts visible. Regularly review these settings to keep your notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.